Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome to my channel, Learn English with me, Emma Fitria Agustina. This online learning video is presented by Mantu Kota Malang for 12th graders in semester 1 with the topic Job Application Letter. The basic competence for the students is that the students are able to analyze the social function, text structure, and linguistic elements of job application letter according to the context of its use. And then the students are able to capture the meaning of job application letter. Editing job application letter consider the social function, the structure of the text, and the linguistic elements which are appropriate with its context. And the last one, the students are able to develop a job application letter taking into account with the social function, the structure of the text, and the linguistic elements which are appropriate with its context. Well, students, have you ever seen a job application letter? Do you think that it will be useful for us to learn about it? Yes, actually, learning about what is and how to make a job application letter is very important, especially for the students in the 12th graders like what you are now. Have you ever thought that what is your goal life after you graduate from high school or after you continue your study to college? Maybe at that time, some of you will think about how to apply job, is it right? So, hopefully, this topic will give you a bright insight about that. What we are going to learn in this video is all about a job application letter. There are 7 things that you are going to learn. Number 1 is definition. Number 2 is the purpose or the social function. Number 3 is the generic structure. Number 4 is the language features. Number 5 is some example of job application letter. Number 6 is what have to be considered before you make a job application letter. And the last one, number 7, it's time for you to practice to make a job application letter. Okay, we will start from the first one. It's about the definition. What is a job application letter? A job application letter is a letter of application. It is also known as a cover letter. It is a document sent with your resume to provide additional information on your skills and experience and elaborate your qualification. A letter of application typically provides detailed information on why you are qualified for the job you are applying for. Effective application letters explains the reasons for the applicant's interest in the specific organization and identify the applicant's most relevant skills or experiences. Okay, the second one is that we learn about the social function or the purpose of job application letter. Okay, the social function of job application letter is that first, it is to attract the attention of an employer. It acts as a cover letter for the applicant's resume and should provide enough personal information to convince the reader or the employer to grant the applicant an interview. The qualifications provide a potential employer should be included on the resume. And then the second one, the social function of job application letter is that to build positive image of the applicant for the suitability for a job being applied with the qualification with someone possessed. Okay, so that's why the job application letter should first let the employer know what position the applicant is applying for, and the second one is that giving strong reasons why the employer should select the applicant for an interview and even accept him or her. Okay, the third one is about the generic structure or the part of a job application letter. Okay, number 1 is about the date. The date is when the applicant sent the job application letter. Number 2 is heading. Heading is the information about the applicant's name and address. And maybe you can add it by email also. Number 3 is inside address. Inside address, it contains about the name of the employer, his or her positions, the company's name and address of the company or organizations. And then number 4 is salutation. Usually we use the word like dear sir or dear ma'am. And then the fifth one is about the letter. The letter here, it consists about the 3 things or the 3 items of the paragraphs. The first paragraph, we call it this one into the opening. In the opening of paragraph, it explains about the basic reasons for the application letter. What job are the applicants applying for? When and where did the applicant see the position advertised? The second one is the middle of the paragraph or the body of the paragraph. It demonstrates confidently that the applicant's skills, backgrounds, and experience are suitable the desired job requirements, and it is also stated about the applicant would highly regard on the opportunity to work with the company. And then the third one is the closing paragraph. The closing paragraph, it states about the applicant's availability for an interview or test as the applicant's hope for the next level. And then the sixth one is about the complementary closing. Usually we can use the word like yours sincerely or yours faithfully there. And then the last part of a job application letter is about the signature. And don't forget to write down the names of the applicant. Okay, well students, here are the parts of a job application letter. You can read it by yourself, starting from the date, heading, inside address, salutations, letter, included about opening, body and closing, and then complementary closing, and then the last one is signature. The fourth one is that about language features. In job application letter, the first one is that make it sure the job application letter contains about the formal language, so it's not use the slang language. The second one is that using personal pronoun like I, you, and then number 3 is that it is sometimes use simple present tense to convey hope, and then sometimes it can also use simple past tense to describe about experience. Number 4, it is used the special expressions, okay, for example like dear sir, best regard, yours faithfully, okay. And then the fifth one, it is about targeted subject line, include the job title and a branding statement. And then number 6, it explains the obvious reasons why the applicant is writing in the opening statement. And the seventh one is that explain the applicant's accomplishment which the company may need to hire the applicant. The fifth one, you can see the examples of job application letter. Okay, I give you the 3 example. Okay, you can read it by yourself. Example 1, example 2, and okay, there is another example also. So there are 3 examples that I have shown to you. Okay, now we go on to what have to be considered before we make a job application letter. Okay, the first one is that make it sure you use the business letter format. Yeah, don't forget that it is a formal letter. And then number 2 is that focus on how you would benefit the company. And then number 3 is that use the keywords, keep it brief. Don't forget to edit before you send the application letter. And then okay, it is something that you do on and don'ts. Okay, something that you can do is that first write your resume completely, use a formal format, use a polite language, sell yourself, promote yourself. Okay, submit it on time based on the date, and then add your CV and enclose with any documents that are needed. And then something that you don't do while you are making the job application letter is that on the opposite, of course, like use informal word, and then please don't use capital letter or caps lock. Okay, yes. Okay, now we come to the last session of this video. The last session is that it's time for you to practice. Okay, now what you are going to do after this is that please find the example of job vacancy. You can find it in the internet, in the newspaper, or in any other media, I think. Okay, and then based on job vacancy that you can find, please create a job application letter based on the job vacancy. Make it sure that you follow the part or the structure of the job application letter. Do you still remember about that? The first one is about date, and then don't forget to give the heading. Heading is your name and your address, right? Number 3 is that don't forget to write down the inside address. Do you still remember inside address? Yes, it's about the name and the address of the employer, okay? And then number 4 is salutation. Number 5 is letter, okay? There are opening, middle, and closing. And then the 6th one is about complimentary closing. You can use yours sincerely or yours faithfully, up to you. And then the last one is signature and your complete name, okay? So I think that's all, students. Hopefully that it will be beneficial for you. See you in the next session. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.